So this is the heater that I've put together. And yes, it's sketchy. But we're gonna see what happens.
Absolutely nothing.
Oh.
There it goes.
Now I've just gotta remember how to prime the lines. What was the button command? I think it would hold these two down. I think over here. So we'll try it just on one. Nope, that's not what I want to do. Well, that one's just firing up now.
And it's in Celsius.
Indeed it is. It is Chinese. Yeah, that's going to be a failed start because there's no fuel in it, and it's not going to get fuel by the time it gives up. So we're just going to give that a quick little reset. Let it cool down for a second. And while it cools down, I'm going to go grab the instructions.
That's probably helpful. Yep, going.
Okay, let's try that again. So down arrow and enter, and then it'll say H off, and then you press the up arrow. And then that should fill. I'll do the other two. Oh boy, this sounds fun.
Yep. So step on that worm.
What?
I don't see that worm anymore. Whoops.
I'm sure he's somewhere better now. Boy, that's not going to be annoying at all.
Nope.
Now I know why people put them in boxes.
Yep.
Listen how quiet and graceful this is. I mean, it's no louder than a regular furnace, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm getting any fuel. Oh, yeah. Look. You see the fuel coming up? Where did it go? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there it goes.
Will go. No. This one's little go. Trying. Come on, buddy.
Okay, we'll just let that prime for a little bit. And, you can see, this is probably the part I'm most worried about.
Yeah.
Because this is just muffler cement, which is what, you know, rednecks use. But Home Depot doesn't sell refractory cement, so
We'll see.
and then I put this thing on the wall, and all the horrible death smoke should come out over here where it won't kill me. And does that roll over to one side? Yes, it does. Whatever.
And the other one's having a hard time. The other ones are already. Well, there's some in there.
Yeah,
It's just not as awesome as the
it's
other
starting to
ones.
come out the other side.
There it goes. It's starting to go up.
So this happened a lot faster when it was on the other setup, and I have a feeling it's because the line was about this long.
Yeah.
I don't like how this one's going.
Yeah, that one's.
Okay, so these two are primed. This one not so much, and in fact it's just draining back down again. I wonder if this pump is a dud. I hope not.
Mosquito.
I don't know how.
It's outside now. Okay.
Hello?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try it. Should we do one at a time, or should we just do all three all at once? Because why not?
Because why not? We're primed. They're ready to go. Well, hopefully it won't burst into flames. Maybe it won't be such a great idea to stand underneath it.
It's diesel. But, that's a good point. Filming that while it starts. Right?
Yep.
Let's just leave that there. It's drawing plenty of power.
Mm-hmm.
.6 volts, 22 amps, which is a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, not really, but ooh, the airflow coming out is pretty good, and that's at minimum.
Is it on already then?
What?
Is it on?
You can feel the air. It's not. They get much louder when they're actually running. They're still not ignited,
Gotcha, yeah, because the air still feels cool.
and also you don't get the pumps. Oh, there they go.
Oh, there they go.
And what are the chances of all three of them actually igniting? I doubt it. You'll be able to hear it when they ignite though, because they make a weird noise.
Like a boom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like those videos where people have the washing.
Airplane.
They have the washing machine, and it's like ticking, and they make a song with it.
Yep.
That's what we need to do with this one. See, at least when we make a smart controller for them, I can make them start at the right rhythms. That way, it's just either all at the same time or all in an even
Mm-hmm.
step. It seems like they're kind of doing that themselves. Is there smoke?
I don't see any.
No, they're not lit yet. I don't know if the fuel's actually primed all the way or if it just gave up.
Mm-hmm. I heard a different noise.
Oh, it's pumping. Ooh. Oh,
I hear it.
I think they're lit. Wish I could have like a light or something that said they were actually running.
Yeah, you need like a little LED that like green when it turns on. Red when they're off. You're pretty in that.
I think they're.
I'm going.
Oh.
I mean, it sounds like it's really starting.
I guess they don't make the noise when you're not listening to the raw exhaust right next to you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I think they're definitely going now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nope. They all just gave up.
Yep, heard that. Was it just not primed enough?
No, it was not. I'm kind of grossly exceeding how much the manual says I'm supposed to have fuel lines, but
Mm-hmm. Mm.
so we'll let them give up again, and then we'll try one more time.
They go on their own.
I guess it just tries multiple times.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know why, because it figured it failed to light, so it wanted to ventilate all the fumes out of the chamber so it doesn't try and light again, and just go...
Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh, that's the noise, yeah.
yeah, there it goes. Ooh, I bet there's smoke coming out now.
Yeah, there it goes. I don't think it can try to put it. It's dark, but you can see it. I don't think you can see it on the video, but you can. I can see it from here just because it's going into the dark.
How am I doing? What is my life? What have I done?
I mean, you made a heating system?
I should have just bought a furnace and put it over there. Those are already ductwork.
Yep.
Furnaces are expensive.
Yep.
I've always wanted to try these, so this is kind of a good excuse. I think it's less obnoxious once it's actually running.
Probably.
Ross, are you gonna live?
Now it's taken off. You can see it coming out, the heat coming out of it now.
What?
You can see it now. You can see the vapor waves, the heat waves.
Oh, yeah. That's waste. I don't like that. Quite a lot of heat once they're actually going, but still not going. There, now they're at full throttle. Let's see if they actually speed.
Explode from the frying. I can smell heat.
What?
I can smell the heat.
This one's throwing out tons.
Which one? Middle?
Yeah.
I just saw that one spit out something.
What?
One on the far end spit out something.
Like
No.
dust?
Yeah, I can feel heat. Yay! Well, third time was a charm for this one.
Yeah. Well, I'll let that run for a little bit.
You can really see it kicking out. You can hear it.